This is my first time building an MA chassis since getting back into the mini four-wheel drive hobby. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're assembling the Neo Falcon MA chassis version. This is actually my first time building an MA chassis, so I'll be following the instruction manual that comes with every kit. Let's check if all the parts are complete inside the box. And yes, I'll be swapping out the wheel set on this build too. All parts are here. Perfect. If you enjoy mini 4WD unboxings and builds, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Alright, let's get into it! According to the manual, I'll be skipping figures 1 and 2 for now. We'll save the cowl and sticker application for the final step. Carefully cut out the H1 unit. For this step, you'll need the plastic eyelets. Attach them to the H1 front unit. Install the gold eyelet as well. Next, prepare the hex shaft and attach the narrow wheel set for the front. Insert it into the H1 unit through the eyelets, but make sure to install the spur gear first. Cut the H2 unit carefully and follow the same assembly steps as the front. This time, use the wide wheel set for the rear. For the center or main chassis, start by installing the terminals. Find the A3 switch and attach it to the chassis as well. Install the purple pinion gear that comes with the kit. Locate A4 and A7 motor holders and attach them to the motor. Now mount the motor into the center chassis. Find a 1 and attach the blue counter gear to its eyelet. Insert the shaft into the gear. Mount both gears onto the chassis. Ataruchi ni moto cover and then secure it with a 6 moto lock. Now just snap all the units together, no screws required. If you're new here, please consider liking and subscribing for more mini 4WD content. Time to test it with some rechargeable batteries. Awesome! It works perfectly. I got a bit too excited and forgot to attach the motor holder properly, so it didn't run at first. Lesson learned. Don't skip that step. By the way, you can install the rollers during figure 3, especially if you're building an MS chassis. Good to know for next time? Anyway, let's install the rollers on both sides. Carefully cut out part D3. Kids, please ask an adult to help you with cutting for safety. Time to attach all the cowl parts and finish up with the stickers. Here we go! Saiko! The Neo Falcon MA chassis is now fully assembled, and it looks great! Subarashi! Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this build, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mini 4-wheel drive content. See you on the next one! ありがとうございました! またお会いしましょう!